Namaste and welcome. Tonight, we are going to do something incredibly simple. We are going to let the ground and gravity do all the work. Please lie down and get as comfortable as you can. Wiggle your shoulders, adjust your pillows, and let your feet fall open. During the day, your body is constantly working to hold you up. Your neck, your back, and your shoulders are always under tension, carrying you throughout the day. But right now, your only job is to stop holding yourself up. When we stop resisting gravity, our muscles get a clear message that the work is done. It tells our nervous system that you are safe, protected, and you allow yourself to rest. You don't have to carry yourself and your life for the next 15 minutes. You are going to just trust the bed and this earth to carry you. Take a deep breath in and as you let it go, feel your body make its first shift from holding on to letting it go. Bring your attention to the back of that head resting on the pillow. Feel that connection with the earth. Now, on your next exhale, let your head become a little heavier. Let the pillow take all its weight. move down to your shoulders, and with your next breath out, imagine your shoulders are softening and spreading out wide. Let them sink deep into the mattress. Now feel your hips and your lower back. Let them drop. Let them sink down like a stone in water. Notice your heels and relax them. Relax your feet and release their grip on the day. With every single exhale from here on, silently say the word heavy to yourself. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slow your breath down. Take a deep inhale and a long exhale. Let your muscles go completely soft You don't need them right now. Soften your stomach, your chest, and let them rise and fall gently. Soften your jaw and let your teeth part slightly. Soften your forehead. Relax your face and let all the worry simply fade away. As your body gets heavy, let your mind get heavy too. Any thoughts or plans for tomorrow, let them slip off and melt into the ground. The earth is strong enough to hold it all for you. You are completely supported. You are grounded and you are safe. Sinking down and letting go. Breathe deeply and slowly and rest. Sink deeper and deeper with each and every breath. There is no difference between you and the earth now. You are simply melting into the night. You are slowly drifting into a state of peace. Sleep is waiting for you. Namaste. If you like this session, check out our other videos and share this one with someone else who might benefit from this practice. Please subscribe to join us for weekly classes on YouTube and also join us on our socials for daily tips. Thank you.